And still staying with tribunal matters. Meanwhile, the Edo State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal on Monday adjourned its first proceeding in 2025 to Wednesday 15. BTV News Osaugi Agbobo reports that the adjournment was granted after consent to the first and second respondents, the Independent National Electoral Commission and the Monday Okwebolo filed an application to attend to the matter at the Supreme Court. Osaugi Agbobo's report is presented by Glorious Isirame.
At about 10 a.m. on Monday, counsels and representatives of the petitioners and respondents converged at the courtroom despite initial news that the tribunal would beat sit. Announcing their appearance, Stephen Okoro Esquire appeared for the second respondent, Senator Monday Okwebolo. D.O. Owolabi appeared on behalf of the first respondent, Independent Electoral Commission, INEC. And Josephine Ogagawaria appeared for the third respondent, All Progressive Congress, APC. The Petitioners' Counsel, Oladakpo Oshinrowo, led the team, accompanied by other counsels for the petitioners. The Assistant Secretary to the Tribunal, Dio Danson, presented before the three-man panel judges led by Justice Wilfred Pochi an application seeking for adjournment. Filed by the first and second respondents, the application requests for adjournment of proceeding to Wednesday, 15th January 2025, standing on the fact that they have a matter to attend to tomorrow, Tuesday, 14th January, at the Supreme Court, as they assured the tribunal that all counsels in the matter have been communicated via emails and WhatsApp and have respectfully sought the tribunal's indulgence to grant the adjournment. On his part, lead counsel for the petitioners, Oladakpo Oshino, said the counsel to the petitioners were fully prepared to commence trial for the day. However, acknowledged that they received a copy of the adjournment letter for the respondents late on Sunday. He said in the spirit of cooperation, his team would concede to the adjournment request on the condition that the respondents would not make any further request for adjournment. The chairman of the tribunal, Justice Wilfred Pochi, after listening to the orators, granted the adjournment request of the respondents and adjourned the proceeding to Wednesday, 15th January 2025. Speaking with journalists, counsel to the respondents, Stephen Okoro, and the member of Asue Igodalo legal team, Goodluck Osaritin, shared more light on the adjournment.
So by the agreement of all the lawyers, this matter was adjourned to the 15th. All the matters, not one. All the petitions were adjourned to the 15th day of January 2025. When you have a matter at the Supreme Court, that's the apex court, and at the Supreme Court, their matters were slated for definite hearing, and so they must appear before the Supreme Court.
Our lawyer, led by Dipo, told the court that we will only accept the adjournment or their plea on the grounds that such requests will not be made again. So, and the case was therefore adjourned till 15th Wednesday, January 2025.
Meanwhile, the lead counsel to the petitioners, Oladakpo Oshino Esquire, declined interview with journalists. Glorious Isiramen reporting for BTV News.